Hello, let's do some work with our fire. I'm going to stoke the fire a little bit with some kapalabhati, and then we'll do some bhastrika. So with kapalabhati, the emphasis is on the exhale. So in X. Bhastrika, the emphasis is equal in, equal out. So we're going to deliberately stir up some of the fires inside, a little bit warming. It may be warm where you are. We're just going to do this gently and lovingly. And then we'll take the breath and our bhavana, our focus, our intention, and see how can we tend those fires and maybe see where maybe we have some fires in there we didn't even know we had. So let's just check it out and see what's going on, and maybe cool some down or stoke some up. We'll see how it goes. So feel free to close your eyes. And to begin, to start with the breath that's right for you, not too fast, not too slow, just the right amount of air at just the right tempo. And notice already, are there some hot buttons, some distractions, some judgments? Are they things like anything that's a little hot button for you? Is it creeping up? It might not be, but what if it is? Any places where you feel a little judgy or uncomfortable about yourself or others or your situation or your environment? Just stay with the breath that's right for you, just a few more rounds. And just notice if the breath that's right for you, if this technique actually helps you calm your fire. And just notice what is or isn't arising for you. Let's begin Kapalabhati. So with Kapalabhati, we inhale through the nose, exhale the air forcefully out the nose in 1 second. And repeat. Go any tempo you like. Begin Kapalabhati. In X, in X. You want to go faster or slower. And inhale. Hold the breath briefly. When you're ready, slowly exhale out of both nostrils. And just feel, experience. If you're already feeling hot or a little inflamed or a little activated about something, just repeat Kapalabhati. If you'd like to bring a little bit more activity, a little bit more fire to the table for yourself today, I invite you to practice bhastrika, which means bellows, bellows, like bellows that you're stoking a fire with. And the emphasis will now be on inhaling equal to the exhale. So in X, in X, in X, instead of X, in X, in X. So forceful in, forceful X. Okay, just give it a shot, see how it goes. When you're ready, closing your eyes. And then begin bhastrika. Again, any tempo. I'm going to start slowly and then gradually speed it up. So you pick the tempo that's right for you. Inhaling, exhaling. Feel that abdomen, making your inhale and exhale. So the abdomen is going in and out. or out and in as you're breathing. And inhale through both nostrils. Hold the breath for as long as you like. And when you're ready, exhale through both nostrils. And just notice what feels inflamed, if anything, or is there an area inside of you that actually could use a little bit more fire? Someplace that needs a little more motivation or inspiration. And just randomly pick one of those many little fires that could be showing themselves to you. You don't always have to pick the biggest one. Now ignite a light ujjayi breath. And if you'd like to stoke that fire, allow that breath inside, right behind your nostrils, to move over a gentle, warm fire. So now you're going to actually allow a little bit more heat to go into that area that could use a little fire. Or if you're going the opposite, place like a cool blue waterfall or a cool blue light as that breath comes in through the nostrils, moving into your area of exploration today. Begin ujjayi. Don't worry about breath ratio right now. Just notice whether you are activating the infrared, the warming, or the ultraviolet, cooling. Continue this, just continue this. And just notice, is that fire shifting in any way? And if the fire isn't shifting, is your relationship to the fire shifting? And if nothing's shifting, is that a trigger or a little fire that's cropping up? Do you want something to change? Are you disappointed if it isn't? Or is there an apathy or an indifference? Or something else? Take a few more ujjayi breaths. If you are wanting to cool the fire, begin to increase the length of your exhale slightly. If you are wanting to increase the warmth of the fire, take a pause after inhale. A few more rounds. And then release the pranayama. Bask in the perfect temperature, the perfect light of your fire. I am my fire keeper. I am my fire tender. I am the light that I am. I am the light that I am. I am the light that I am. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in. Exhale, release chin to chest if you like. Go ahead and rub your palms together. Place them over your eyes. Breathe into the eyes. Go ahead and rub your head. Rub palms again. Focus over your heart for heartfelt prayers, matters of the heart. Holding and honoring and acknowledging the light of your heart. Rub the palms again. Place them over your belly. Holding, acknowledging, honoring the light of your belly. The light in me acknowledges the light in you. Namaste.